Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com. Getting ourselves outside of the studio and having some fun testing out our new 3-inch exhaust for the S550 Mustang. That's what we're talking about. Our Steeda 3-inch exhaust is 3 inches all the way through. It's designed for freer flowing and manufactured out of T304 stainless steel. So it's going to be corrosion resistant for the life of the exhaust. Now we've built this exhaust to be effective for both naturally aspirated applications and supercharged applications like this Roush-equipped S550 Mustang. Just like with our axle back systems, we've designed our cap back system to have an aggressive tone. So free flowing and aggressive tone means a lot of fun for you. We're going to take you out here in a few minutes and show you exactly how this sounds. All right, I mean, that says it all. I don't need to say anything more. If you have any questions or comments about this exhaust, please post below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click like and share it with your buddies and other enthusiasts. For more information about the exhaust, be sure to visit Steeda.com and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you, have a great day.